Did you just get yourself an iPhone 11? Well, the best thing that you can get for your iPhone 11 is a glass screen protector. I absolutely love glass screen protectors. I've been using them for my iPhones for years, and they offer the best amount of protection without sacrificing the touch screen. All those older plastic screen protectors used to come up, they used to feel weird. Glass screen protectors, you don't even feel like you have a screen protector on your phone, which is the best part about it. So let's go ahead and install this big boy here. Let's go ahead, put the phone down on the ground here, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the glass screen protector for the iPhone 11. All right, guys, first things first, you want to grab the tools that are included with your screen protector that you picked up. I will link my preferred one in the description box below if you guys want to pick yourself up one. And they do include usually these little cloths. They'll include stickers. They'll also include like kind of like wet wipes and stuff. I don't really like using the wet wipes. I prefer just using the cloth and the sticker part here. So let's go ahead and just lock the screen down. That allows you to see a lot of the dust. You can see there's little bits of dust and stuff on there, and any sort of fingerprints, it's easier to see when the screen is off. So we'll go ahead and turn it off nicely right there, and we'll just kind of wipe it out down just like that. All right, so now we've got it wiped down. I'm gonna grab the dust absorber tool right here. As you can see, dust absorber tool it says, even though it's just pretty much just a sticker. So let's go ahead and peel this one off right here. There we go. And now I'm gonna actually just kind of twist it just like this. And this just allows it to kind of get on and off. I don't like pressing it completely on. You just want to kind of just work your way around and just get any bits of dust and stuff that you see left on there. And you want to do this fairly quickly because you don't want to allow more dust to get on to wreck your screen. You don't want any dust underneath. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we've done that quickly. Now we're gonna grab the screen protector itself, take off this little sticker part right here, and that's gonna peel off the film, and that's your sticky side right down there. And we're gonna go ahead and just align it. Now I'm gonna sit up a little bit more so I can see, and we're just gonna align it as easy as we can. There we go, nicely. And as soon as you have it aligned, just kind of let go. Just let it kind of go, and you're gonna see the bubble kind of just filling out. Just let it do its thing for probably about 10 or 15 seconds here. And then any other last minute bubble pieces that you see, you can just kind of press just all the way around. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to do. You can see now it's perfectly on there. There's no bubbles. We'll turn the phone on and let's go ahead and use it. Yep. Perfect. Works good. Works very nicely, guys. That's it. Very simple installation of the glass screen protector for your iPhone 11. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys got a glass screen protector for your iPhone 11, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.